Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Cambridge apartments, and those are the towers straight ahead. We are in New Kingston, Jamaica. New Kingston is in Kingston, Jamaica, and this is the Cambridge apartments. They're still under construction, and construction started in 2021 and they should be finished sometime next year. So the Cambridge consists of 176 units. So this is going to be the largest apartment complex in Jamaica when it is finished. So those 176 units, it's broken down into super studios, 1-bedroom units. It's going to have 8 penthouses. So as you can see, the complex consists of 2 towers. The tower straight ahead or to the left is called the Edge, and the one on the right is called the Elite. And this entire project is being done by Guardian Life. Guardian Life recently built an apartment complex called the Hampshire, and to the left of where we are is where the Hampshire is, but you're not going to see it with this camera view. But they built the Hampshire apartments, and similar design to the Cambridge but just smaller. It was 66 units, and when they put the Hampshire units on the market, they were sold out within 3 days. So that's why they decided to build another complex 3 times the size of the one they built before. So that's how we come by the Cambridge, which is what we're looking at. And it's ideally located in New Kingston, which is the business capital of Jamaica. And this is where you find prime real estate. This is where you find some of the most expensive real estate in Jamaica. This section of New Kingston that we're in is the residential part, where you find the apartments, the townhouses. And when you go on the other side now, if you were to turn right at the road ahead and go down, that's where we come across the commercial part. It's probably a 5-minute walk or a 1-minute drive from where we are to the commercial part. So that's how close it is. So this complex, the Cambridge, is going to cost $4 billion. I mean, they're very nice, but they're expensive to construct. And the tower is going to be 10 floors. Each tower is 10 floors high. So the cost of the units now. The units range from US $169,000 to US $315,000. Remember, they have super studios, 1-bedroom units, and penthouses. So it varies according to the size. And one thing about this development, it's an all Jamaican development team. The architects, the contractor, the structural engineers are all Jamaican. In the construction industry, you have a lot of it's a very busy industry, a lot of developments going on. Almost every road you go on in Jamaica, every area, there is some sort of construction. So it's good that they're using Jamaicans to build the apartments and do the construction. When it comes on to road work now, I think it's the opposite. But that's for another video. Okay, so the Cambridge sales are targeted. Well, they're using a targeted and strategic marketing of the units, strategic location of the developments, and Guardian did this before. So there's a sound and proven track record of the developments and the development team. So basically, they built one before and it was very successful, so they're just building another one that is even bigger. So on this site now, the entire complex is going to be on 3 acres, but half an acre out of that 3 is going to be for amenities such as a swimming pool, a jogging trail, and a clubhouse. So that's a look at the Cambridge. And this is going to be a very popular complex because, as we said, it's one, located in New Kingston, and two, it's going to be the largest apartment building in Jamaica when finished. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.